For years, we've been waiting. Waiting for a change that transcends a faster chip or a new remote. We've been waiting for Apple to redefine the living room experience. And, according to a cascade of highly credible leaks, in 2025, that wait is over. This isn't about the current Apple TV. That device? It's a placeholder. A necessary step on a journey to something truly revolutionary. The new Apple TV, codenamed internally as Project Nexus, is the stealth bomb Apple has been preparing to drop on an unsuspecting streaming industry. Forget what you think you know about set-top boxes. Because what's coming is less a box and more a portal. Stay with us, because by the end of these minutes, you'll understand why your current streaming setup is about to feel ancient. This is Tech Vibe, and this is the future of Apple TV. Let's dive right into the core, power. Leaks suggest the 2025 Apple TV will house the monstrous A19 Bionic chip. Now, why would a device primarily for streaming need a processor this powerful? The simple answer: gaming. Apple Arcade has been good, but this new hardware moves Apple into the serious console conversation. We're talking ray tracing capability, native 120 frames per second support, and rendering graphics previously impossible on a non-dedicated console. But here's the mind-blowing part. It's not just playing console-quality games. It's seamless integration. Imagine starting a Call of Duty equivalent on your iPhone, walking into your living room, and instantly picking it up on your 80-inch TV, with zero drop in fidelity. This isn't just about competing with Xbox or PlayStation, it's about making those devices optional. The A19 transforms the Apple TV from a media player into an entertainment hub, a true console killer waiting in the wings. Don't scroll away, because the display tech innovations are where this story gets even crazier. Apple's core strength is its ecosystem, and 2025 is the year they weaponize spatial audio and Vision Pro technology for the living room. Forget static soundbars. The new Apple TV allegedly includes a dedicated spatial audio processor. What does this mean for you? It means the sound isn't just coming from your speakers, it's being intelligently placed in your room. If a helicopter flies from left to right on screen, you won't just hear it move, you'll feel the sound signature shift, creating a truly three-dimensional soundscape that adapts to your room's acoustics in real time. Now, let's talk picture. Leaks point to an advanced dynamic range engine, a layer above standard HDR and Dolby Vision. This engine works with compatible TVs to dynamically adjust brightness and contrast scene by scene, even frame by frame, to ensure perfect blacks and blinding highlights without crushing detail. It's the visual equivalent of an audio engineer mixing your movie live. If you thought 4K HDR was the peak, prepare to have your mind rewritten. This level of immersion is the reason this device will be the must-have tech of 2025. The biggest sleeper hit feature, the one that ties everything together, is its role as the ultimate smart home core. The 2025 Apple TV isn't just a streaming box, it's a persistent, always-on HomeKit server with vastly improved Thread and Matter support. Think of it as the brain of your home that never sleeps and is virtually unhackable thanks to Apple's security architecture. Leaks indicate a feature called ambient context. The Apple TV will use its neural engine to learn your household's patterns. Dim the lights when you pause a movie. Set the thermostat to your preferred movie watching temperature automatically. The control is completely proactive. It's the difference between telling your house what to do and your house knowing what to do. This integration is so deep, it essentially eliminates the need for a separate HomePod Mini to act as your hub. This isn't just automation, it's intelligence. And this is why the price tag, which we'll discuss shortly, is completely justified. The interface. Oh, the interface. Rumors point to a complete overhaul of tvOS, incorporating elements from Vision OS. We're talking about a more spatial, layered, and three-dimensional experience. Think floating widgets, customizable environments, and a level of polish that makes every other streaming interface look like a relic from the past. It will feel less like navigating a grid of apps and more like stepping into a curated digital world. And what about the infamous Remo? TE? Leaks suggest a massive redesign. A slightly larger profile, built-in UWB, ultra-wideband, tracking so you'll never lose it again, and most crucially, a haptic touch surface that provides tactile feedback as you scroll and click. No more accidental swipes or frustrating taps. It's a return to form for Apple's hardware design, prioritizing function and feel above all else. This subtle change alone will transform the daily user experience from good to unforgettable. We can't talk about a new Apple TV without talking about the content. Analysts speculate that the launch will be paired with an irresistible Apple One Premier tier. Imagine a single subscription that bundles Apple TV Plus, Apple Arcade, Apple Music, and a higher tier of iCloud, all optimized to run natively and flawlessly on this new hardware. The goal is to make the Apple TV the most compelling content delivery platform on the planet. Furthermore, we anticipate exclusive 4K per 120Hz content only available on this new box. Think of it as a premium viewing experience locked behind the best hardware. This is how Apple gets you to upgrade. Not just with faster silicon, but with content exclusivity. It's a brilliant, if aggressive, strategy designed to cement their place at the top of the entertainment food chain. The Apple TV 2025 is not just an incremental step. It is Apple's declaration that the future of home entertainment is centralized, intelligent, and fiercely powerful. It's a gaming console. It's an immersive sound stage. It's the brain of your smart home. And it's the gateway to exclusive premium content. Expect a starting price north of $250, but consider what you're getting: a single device that can replace a gaming console, a high-end streaming player, and a smart home hub. The leaks are too consistent, the logic is too sound. This device is coming, and it will fundamentally change your living room. The only question is, are you ready for the new age of home entertainment? Let me know in the comments if you're upgrading on day one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. This is Tech Vibe, signing off.